Allow me to show you how to create this ASMR cartoon cleaning video using AI. This type of cartoon cleaning video have taken the internet by storm, and I'm going to be teaching you using ChatGPT for ideation and image generation, Faceless for video generation, and finally CapCut to bring together all your work. Let's get started. Head over to ChatGPT and tell it that you want to create a cleaning ASMR video with a cartoon Pixar style character. Then tell it that you want scenes of the character cleaning her toilet, bathtub, doing her laundry, or cleaning her kitchen. ChatGPT will go ahead and bring your ideas to life like this. So you can see it will start by building you the main character. Then it will break down the scene for your ASMR cleaning video, scene by scene. You can see it will give you the idea of visual sounds that you are going to use for this video. I haven't done this. I'm just going to go ahead and tell ChatGPT to create these images, the prompt for the images for this ASMR cleaning video scene by scene. So you can see it will just give me the prompt for the images for this video scene by scene. This is the first scene with the character cleaning the bathtub, and it will go ahead and give me the action for the second scene. She's scrubbing the bathtub, and the third rinsing with shower head. So the prompts for my images are now ready. I'll just now go ahead and start generating my images using this prompt. So I have picked the first prompt for the first image. I'm just going to tweak it a bit, and you can see now ChatGPT has generated the first prompt. I'm going to pick the second prompt and also tweak it a bit, and then go ahead and click on send when I'm done, so that ChatGPT can generate this second prompt. And don't forget to tell ChatGPT to make your characters consistent and also make it 16:19 aspect ratio, since it is for YouTube. That is if you are using it for YouTube like I am. So ChatGPT will just go ahead and create this second image, which I like. Then I'm going to go ahead and copy the prompt for the third image. Well, I'm going to tweak it by describing my character. Then I'm also going to tell ChatGPT to make the characters consistent and in 16:9 aspect ratio. Now I'm going to generate the remaining images without showing you, since by now you must have gotten the hang of it. And next I'm going to head over to Google to convert this image into video. So in Google I'm going to type in Faceless AI, then click on the link. Once I click on the link, it will take me to this interface. I'll click on generate video. Here I'll click on the image icon in order to bring the image I want to generate. This first one, I'm just going to go ahead and also bring the prompt for the image as the prompt for the video. I'm just going to delete some parts, like the beginning that I inserted and the end. So I'm just going to click on create. It has created my first video. I'm just going to click on it. I think I like it, and I'm going to go ahead and download it. So I'm going to bring in the second image, and I'm also going to use the prompt for the second image as the prompt for the video. Yes, I'm just going to remove what I think is not necessary, and then I'm going to click on create, and Faceless AI in a matter of seconds will generate my video. I'm just going to click on it. I like it also, and I'm going to go ahead and download. Bring the third image, do the same thing, bring in the prompt for the third image as the prompt for the video, and then go ahead and edit the prompt to remove what I don't like, then click on create. Now this is the third video that I have generated, and I'm going to stop here because by now you understand how to generate video for this ASMR cleaning tutorial. Next, head over to CapCut and bring all the videos you generated from Pixverse AI so you can see. I'm just going to bring them all in, then look for the first video. I think this is it. Then bring in the second video too. I'll do the same for the third and the fourth video. Just bring all your videos and arrange them according to your ideation in CapCut. So I'm just going to do that. Please do not forget to subscribe or leave a comment if you are still watching up till this point. So I'm just going to continue arranging my videos on the timeline, and then I'm going to just bring in the last one. My character folding her clothes is the last video, so I'm just going to bring it in, then play it to see if you have arranged your video according to your script from ChatGPT. Next, I'm going to go to audio, then I'm going to type in calm. I want a calm music playing in the background. I think calm, gentle and soft, something like that. I think it is this one. I'm just going to click on it to listen to it, then drag and drop it to the timeline, or you can just click on this blue button and it will come to the timeline. Next, I'm going to type in spray. In the first video, my character is actually spraying her bathtub, so I'm going to bring in this spray sound. Then I'm also going to bring it in a second time because of the length of the video. Make sure that I split it where the video ends and then delete the remaining. Type in scrub in audio, then look for any scrub sound. I think I like this one. I'm just going to drop it here and then drop it a second time because of the length of the video, and make sure that I split it where the video ends and delete the remaining. Next, I'm going to type in spray again because she's spraying her toilet seat, and then I'm going to drag in spray again because of the length of the video as usual, and then I'm going to split it where the video ends so that I can delete the remaining I don't need. Next, I'm going to type in washing, then drag it in. Then I'm going to play it. When it gets to the end of the washing scene, I'm going to split it and then delete the parts that I don't need. Next, I'm going to go in and also type in spray. Since she's spraying her WC, I'm going to drag it into the timeline. Then I'm going to bring it in again and then drag it to the end of the video where I can split it and delete the remaining parts I don't need. Lastly, I'm going to go and type in scrubbing. Since my character is scrubbing her pan, I'm going to take a listen to the first sound. I think I like it. Then I'm going to drag it to the timeline, and then I'm just going to let the calm music play for the remaining parts of the video because there is no need for sound for the remaining parts of the video. Next, I'm going to export my video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.